Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, has recently implemented a significant change to its associate deployment policy, effective from 12 June 2025. This policy introduces stricter guidelines on bench time and billing requirements, aiming to enhance workforce utilization and align employee performance with organizational goals. Key changes in the deployment policy. 1. Mandatory minimum of 225 billable days annually. Associates are now required to be actively billed for at least 225 business days within a rolling 12-month period. This move is designed to ensure that employees contribute effectively to client projects and organizational productivity. 2. Bench period capped at 35 business days. The allowable bench period, time when employees are not assigned to any project, is now limited to a maximum of 35 business days per year. Exceeding this limit may adversely affect an employee's compensation, career progression, opportunities for overseas assignments, and even job continuity. 3. Employee responsibility for project allocation. The onus is now on employees to proactively seek project assignments. Associates are expected to engage with their respective unit or regional resource management groups, RMGs, to find suitable projects, emphasizing self-initiative in career management. 4. Mandatory upskilling during bench time. Employees on the bench are required to dedicate 4 to 6 hours daily to upskilling activities. This includes completing courses on platforms like iVolve, Fresco Play, VLS, and LinkedIn Learning. Additionally, associates must utilize TCS's Gen AI interview coach to prepare for potential project interviews. 5. Default work from office mandate. The policy reinstates the default requirement for physical office presence. Remote work is permitted only in exceptional circumstances and requires prior approval from the RMG, signaling a shift away from the flexible work arrangements adopted during the pandemic. Expected impact on associates. Increased pressure to maintain billability. The stringent requirement of 225 billable days may lead to heightened stress among employees, particularly during periods of low project availability. Failure to meet this threshold could result in negative consequences for compensation and career advancement. Enhanced focus on continuous learning. The mandatory upskilling during bench periods encourages a culture of continuous learning and adaptability. While this can lead to skill enhancement, it also adds to the workload of employees during unassigned periods. Potential for reduced job security. Associates who remain unallocated beyond the 35-day bench limit may face risks to their job security, including potential termination. This policy shift underscores the company's emphasis on productivity and active engagement. What do you think? Do you think this as a positive move by TCS? Whether this could be just to resize the employee strength in alternate way. Please comment your opinion about this policy change.